I find it interesting that most people will just follow suit of what they're told based on the fact that statistics are not, in their side. They're not. Man, if I told you that doing this, 1 out of 2 of you guys would die, or doing this, 1 out of 3 of you guys would die, I don't want to be led by a different person. We are going to do a series now just on breast cancer from a different perspective. We need to bring this concept and these ideas to the world. That's why it's so important for you to share this video right now. It's so important to get somebody that you know that has breast cancer to watch this. It's not going to try to interfere with their treatment. It's going to get them to think differently. And so we set the basis today of some of the thinking that's out there. You're going to get this thinking from your current doctor, and I understand. I'll even show you why they think this way. But then there's a different perspective that you can come at it from it that way and understand to listen. So when you go in there, ask them questions, have a better dialogue, but also know the direction of your care and what your outcome can possibly be. What is breast cancer? Here we go. Breast cancer is a type of cancer that starts in the breast. It can start in one or both. Cancer starts when cells begin to grow out of control. There has to be a message in order for cells to split. So when they actually act like it's out of control, they are actually misleading people going, no, cells divide for reasons. 1 cell becomes 2 cells, become 3 cells by a reason. It just doesn't happen by chance. There's always some major causal factors. And here's what happens. A cell doesn't divide. The DNA doesn't divide, transcribe, or produce messenger RNA without a message. Without it. See, that's where they talk about, well, it's out of control. And therefore, if it's out of control, that means you're out of control. That means you have no control over what can be done. I always love what we stand for. I really do. Health restoration clinics. Get those pathways normal. Get those things normal. Look at the body from a different perspective, because we get you that think and act differently, solve the health challenges others cannot.